How to fix login error on Instagram. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Solution Guide. In this video, I'll simply guide you through the steps on how you can basically fix the login error on Instagram. So make sure to watch the video till the end. So basically, if you actually want to fix the login error, right, what you need to do is it could be happening due to a couple of reasons. First could be the account issues. So it could have banned your IP address. For that, you can simply switch your mobile network to cellular data, or if you have a VPN app, you can just connect to a VPN and then see if that solves your problem. If it doesn't, just make sure the Instagram app is updated to the latest version, and then after that you also want to make sure to long press on the Instagram app icon, tap the I button, scroll down to storage, go to clear cache, tap on clear data and click on delete. Then once you've done that, you can come back, then open up Instagram again, check if your login details, because sometimes it could also be the credentials issue. Make sure everything is correct and then you should be able to be successfully logged in. Hope this video helped you. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any questions though, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.